The Dewalt 20-volt car buffer is a versatile tool that is compatible with a variety of Dewalt batteries, offering flexibility to those who already own compatible battery models. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this cordless car buffer boasts impressive efficiency and a longer lifespan, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its random orbit design allows the buffer to cover a larger polishing area, enhancing efficiency and providing your vehicle with a brilliant finish in less time. With 6 adjustable speed settings ranging from 2,800 to 5,500 revolutions per minute, this tool is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from gentle waxing to aggressive paint correction. Beyond car detailing, this multifunctional buffer is suitable for various polishing tasks, including furniture, floors, and metals, making it a valuable addition to any home. The included accessories such as sandpapers and various polishing pads ensure you have everything needed to start your projects right away, though a battery is not included.